Hello and welcome to Tool Geek Troy. Today we're unboxing the Ryobi P411 18V random orbital sander. It comes with a sander, 3 pieces of sandpaper, and the operator's manual. On the back it says it's 10,000 orbits per minute, continuous sanding for up to 35 minutes. That's with the 4 amp hour battery. Onboard dust collection and a lock switch to lock it on so you can sand without having to hold a button. And the sandpaper attaches via hook and loop. There's the dust collector. The operator's manual. And you've got 3 pieces of sandpaper, 220 grit, 180 grit, or sorry, 120 grit, and 80 grit. Here's a look at the sander. So this switch slides to turn it on or turn it off, and then got a hook and loop pad to attach the sandpaper. Just like that. I will tell you, I already have one of these. This is my second one. I'm going to keep this one in the garage. The other one I use when I'm patching holes in apartments to give a little sand to the joint compound. And I like it. It's really good. It's not overpowered like some of the electronic plug-in ones. And it does a real good job. But I will do a little bit better review on it later on. So I hope seeing this tool and its unboxing helps you with your buying decision. There will be a review to follow, like I said, so please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.